That's right, it has a problem. We need to call all the super readers. Say, calling all super readers to the book club. To the book club. Come on, to the book club. Red Riding Hood, rolling in. Princess, at your service. Wait here. And you, say your name. Great, we're all here. And together, we're going to the book club. State your problem. How would you get to this thing? Good question. When we have a question, we look in the book. Which should you look at? Peas and carrots? Peas? Books come out? Please, please, please. Let's read the title of this book. Red Riding Hood. We need to get this book and then